Tesla's mobile app offers interactive widgets for iOS devices, allowing you to control your Tesla directly from your iPhone's home screen or lock screen. This provides quick access to essential features like climate control, battery status, and door controls without fully opening the app. Widgets work on iOS 14 and later, with lock screen widget support available in iOS 16 and later. Here, you can see examples of Tesla widgets on both the home screen and lock screen. This video will guide you through setting up these widgets for convenient Tesla control. Tesla widgets significantly improve convenience and efficiency. Imagine quickly preheating your car on a cold morning, checking the battery level before a trip, or unlocking the doors as you approach, all without navigating through the app. User studies show a significant time saving in daily interactions with the car. Some users save up to 30 seconds per interaction and reduces app opens by 50%. Before setting up Tesla widgets, make sure your Tesla app is updated to version 4.30x or later. You're running iOS 14 or higher, and you're logged into your account. To add a Tesla widget to your home screen, long press on an empty area of your screen. Then, tap the plus icon that appears in the top left corner of the screen. In the widget gallery, search for Tesla to find the available widgets. Choose your preferred widget size from the available options: small, medium, or large. Tap Add Widget to place the selected Tesla widget on your home screen. You can then reposition the widget on your home screen by dragging it to your desired location. Once added, Tesla widgets will display real-time information from your vehicle, such as battery percentage, driving range, and quick actions like honking the horn, all powered by Tesla's API. Tesla widgets offer some customization options. While the level of customization varies, you can often choose which vehicle data to display, especially if you have multiple Tesla vehicles. This is especially useful for owners with multiple Tesla vehicles. Widgets come in different sizes and show various controls. To customize your widgets, simply long press on them after they've been added to your home or lock screen. You can customize which data appears, such as battery status, climate controls, and more. Lock screen widgets also support customization for quick access. Keep in mind that not all features are customizable. Some aspects of the widgets remain fixed. If your Tesla widgets aren't working, start by ensuring your Tesla app is updated to the latest version. Next, check that background app refresh is enabled for the Tesla app in your iPhone settings. Also, verify that you're logged in to the Tesla app. If widgets are slow to update, ensure you have a stable internet connection. For security reasons, the widgets might require periodic re-authentication with Face ID or Touch ID. Tesla widgets incorporate robust security measures to protect your vehicle. Authentication through Face ID or Touch ID is required for sensitive actions, ensuring only you can access controls like remote starting or door unlocking. These biometric security features use your unique facial or fingerprint data, providing a secure barrier against unauthorized access to your Tesla's functions. Regularly updating your Tesla app and iPhone operating system is essential, as these updates include critical security patches that address potential vulnerabilities and strengthen overall protection. Always exercise caution when your phone is unlocked in public areas, as this could allow others to potentially interact with your vehicle's widgets and compromise your security. The future of Tesla widgets includes potential integration of AI-driven personalization, suggesting widget placements based on your usage patterns. Expect to see enhanced augmented reality overlays for widgets in future iOS updates, allowing virtual car previews and interactive elements. Cross-device syncing will allow Tesla widgets to mirror seamlessly on Apple Watch or Mac, creating a unified experience. Tesla is exploring widgets to support full self-driving features in the future, such as route visualization and autonomous controls, contingent on regulatory approvals.